Hello there guys, welcome back to my channel Travel Wonderful. My name is Giovanni and today is an amazing day as finally I'm gonna be showing you one of the most amazing places in all the world and in the Caribbean Sea, which is Los Roques in Venezuela. So forget what you ever knew about Venezuela and enjoy this video. Remember to subscribe to our channel if you enjoy this video and remember to leave a comment below. Enjoy the video, Travel Wonderful.
Located 85 miles off Venezuela's mainland, Los Roques is considered one of the most beautiful places in the world and voted many times the best place for relaxation. The Archipelago of Los Roques is the Caribbean's largest and longest marine national park, so get ready as in this video we show you the best things to do and visit in this paradise.
Finally, we have arrived to Los Roques. We are so excited. As you can see in this airport, only small planes arrive here as it's a very small airport. Yeah, let's have a look.
So after arriving, we went through the streets of El Gran Roque, which is the main island of Los Roques, where the airport is and all the posadas are. After this, we installed ourselves in the posada, which is basically a small hotel, and we prepare for our first adventure here in Los Roques.
So we are right now in Francisquí, which is one of the nearest islands near El Gran Roque, which is the main island where the airport is and the whole town is. And it is very beautiful and it is very famous, apart from its crystal clear waters and white sands, for being an amazing area for a snorkel, as there is so many statues and things under the water, as so many species to look at. Enjoy the look inside.
If you feel a bit adventurous, make sure you pay a visit to the natural swimming pool of Francisquí, in which you can have a snorkeling experience. It can be guided and has a price of $20 and lasts up to 45 minutes. In here, you can see the coral reef, the different species under the water, and also touch the statue of the Virgen del Valle, which is the main protector of the island and of the fishermen in here. A must-do when visiting Los Roques is Cayo de Agua. This is for sure one of the most beautiful beaches in the world. Actually in here you find 4 beaches in one, since it is an isthmus that separates 2 small islands and you choose north, south, west or east beach, and all of them are just amazingly beautiful. It takes around an hour ride in a small boat from El Gran Roque to Cayo de Agua, looking incredible beaches all over the ride. It is one of the furthest from El Gran Roque, but it's definitely worth it, and it has a price to go there of $50 per person. Cayo de Agua has been voted many times as one of the most beautiful beaches in the world, and it wouldn't surprise me why. I mean, look how amazing it is.
This is the perfect description of paradise. I mean, look at all these tonalities of different blues in the water. Look at this separation of the 2 waters here in this path. It is just amazing, guys. You have to come to Venezuela. It is not a cheap destination, but it's definitely worth it. To come to Los Roques, there is many local agencies, travel agencies from Venezuela that takes you and makes you packages to Los Roques. However, I can recommend you one which has everything packaged and prepare everything for you, and it's in English, which is called Soco Adventures, which is a group of Venezuelan people which is promoting the Venezuelan tourism, and I highly recommend it. They can take you to many beautiful places here in Venezuela. So the name is Soco Adventures. Go and check their Instagram account. As you can see, the popular spot is here in this path in which the 2 waters separate from each other. The pictures are just amazing in here.
And remember, if you're enjoying this video so far, make sure you give a like, you subscribe to the channel, and you activate your notifications. It is for free and it takes literally 1 second to do.
So we arrive now to the island of Dosmos Kisses, which is an area protected and an area of investigation for marine life, and also an area of investigation and protection for marine turtles. So in the Caribbean there is 7 kinds of marine turtles, and 4 of them are located in here in Los Roques. Some of them are on danger of extinction, so that's why they are kept in here until they are able to survive by themselves. It's important to note that some of them, they eat certain plastics that they come from the trash that we throw. So it's important that we protect them, because as they are in danger of extinction, when they eat this, they die straight away.
In here you will be able to see the different kinds of turtles, and also if you want you can get a detailed explanation of each and one of them about how they are treated and how they are protected. The guided explanation, it is for free, however you can give a collaboration at the end if you want, and even take a picture with your favorite turtle.
Cuando quieran vuelvan. Now.
Not far from there, if you're lucky, you can have a look at very beautiful and amazing sea stars that are here in Los Roques. The water in here in Los Roques is so crystal clear that you will be able to see all these amazing sea stars even outside the water. It's important to note that they all come in different shapes and size, and that we shouldn't touch them or take them out of the sea, in order to not put them in danger. Another must here in Los Roques is Noronki. Noronki Beach is one of the best kept secrets in Venezuela. This beach is a paradise at its finest, but best of all, it is likely that you are the only ones in there. In fact, the idyllic glistening sands, cerulean blue water, and sparkling skies seem like the ones on those travel postcards that are too good to be true. Noronki will give you peace and maximum relaxation. Also, because of the very calm waters in here, you will feel like you are in a big natural swimming pool.
Apart from having the most beautiful beaches in the world, the Archipelago of Los Roques National Park, it's very important for the ecosystem of the marine life in the Caribbean and in the world. Since its creation in 1972, has been dedicated to protect the coral reefs and all the marine life of all this area.
If you enjoy long strolls along the beach, then Francisquí is your best option. It is one of the longest beaches in Los Roques and offers over 5 kilometers of white sands and colorful Caribbean sea. It is also the area where usually people come in yachts and stay as much as they want to enjoy this beautiful paradise. Francisquí allows for different experience. At one end of the island, there are several fishermen houses that offer a variety of fish and seafood. On the other side, the sea is excellent for snorkeling.
Guys, you really need to come to Los Roques. It is absolutely beautiful, stunning, amazing. I mean, there is no words to describe this paradise here in Venezuela. I mean, I highly recommend it to you. You need to come here, honestly. Life is only one, and you need to enjoy, honestly. This is a must do. Come to Los Roques. The only risk is that you might want to stay here forever. I will recommend you, if you want to come here, to stay at least 4 or 5 days. I mean, there is over 300 islands. Each and one of them are so beautiful, and each has a particularity. However, I highly recommend you Francisquí, Krask, Cayo de Agua. I mean, all of them are beautiful. Usually with the package to come here to Los Roques, they include you some journeys to some of the islands, or you can arrange them directly at the Posada, which is the little guest house, or let's say hotel.
For your last day in Los Roques, I will recommend you to visit Madrid Ski, or even if your flight is in the late afternoon, you could do Madrid Ski in the morning, as it is only 5 minutes away from El Gran Roque, where the airport is and all the posadas are. In here, you can find crystal clear waters as most of the islands in Los Roques. So if you don't like long journeys in a speedboat, then Madrid Ski is the place to be, as it is only 5 minutes away. Most of the times this is included in most of the travel packages to Los Roques. In here you can also enjoy one of the most beautiful sunsets of all the archipelago. Back to our posada, we went to enjoy a delicious dinner, which is included in our package here in the Posada Macondo. And if you don't want the night to be over, then Posada Galapagos is the place to be. In here you can have a drink and also enjoy different kinds of events every night. I hope you enjoyed this paradise as much as I did. Remember to leave a comment below regarding your favorite place in Los Roques and your favorite part of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will be seeing you in the next video. Travel wonderful!